G'day and welcome back. My name is Dale, and today we're making a truly unique and delicious Australian Christmas treat, Riberry Truffles. These truffles combine the rich dark chocolate with the tangy, sweet and spicy flavour profile of Australian riberries. Let's get started. Combine the dark chocolate, butter, and cream in a heavy based pot. Place over medium-low heat, stirring regularly until the mixture has melted. Once the chocolate mixture is smooth, stir in the glacé riberry. Pour the mixture into a bowl or container and refrigerate until firm. Once firm, scoop out small portions and roll into balls. I'm using a half tablespoon measure, but you can use whatever you have on hand or just wing it. Place prepared balls into the freezer until firm. Melt the remaining dark chocolate and roll each truffle until lightly covered. While still wet, roll the truffles in chocolate flakes. Refrigerate the truffles until set or ready to serve. Enjoy!